So how do you restring a beehive frame? Hi guys, I am John Ray from Griebenouw Bee Farming. Let's get started. Okay guys, so it's quite simple, quite easy. I'm using an old frame from one of my old nukes. I've already stripped all the old wire that has actually broken out. As you can see, the eyelets are in already. So I'm not going to show you how to actually put it in, but it's easy. Just drill the little holes. Most frames will have the holes already. Just put it on the inside and just tap it in with a hammer. Simple and easy. So for the wiring, all you will basically use is I'm using normally a staple gun just to staple my wire on. You can use nails as well. Just use nice small nails, nice and thin. And then you're going to use pliers and your wire, which you will get from most of your beekeeping supply shops. Okay, so it's quite simple and easy, guys. You can actually just start from the top right. I generally do it from the top right because I'm right-handed. You can actually start pulling through across to the other side, pull it through, and then basically what you want to do is you just want to go one eyelet down, push it through, go to the opposite side, do exactly the same. There you go, one down again. So as you can see here now, all you want to just make sure is at these corners that you actually at first don't pull it tight, otherwise you can actually struggle to get it through, because as soon as you pull it tight it will actually bend the wire and it will prevent you from being able to actually pull it through. And just go to the opposite eyelet, push it through. Okay, so you're at the end of it now. So there's two different options how to tie it down. You can either get a small little nail, punch it in here halfway, wrap around the wire, then basically nail it in down and pull your string through and do the same at the top. I prefer doing it with a staple gun. So I'm going to show you now how to do it with a staple gun. You actually just pull it across. You can literally just shoot one staple in. Okay, so you just fold it back over and put a second staple in. There we go. So don't worry about that little piece showing out there now. We will finish it off now. So from here, all you start doing is you actually just start pulling your wire tight. You can actually just use pliers just to assist here with the eyelets, just to pull it in nice and tight. This just helps it a lot, getting that nice tight spring onto it, and you can just pull it. Okay, so you can see roughly I've got it almost completely tight. What I'm going to do now is just use my pliers, and I just want to assist it with pulling it even tighter, possibly, because this will help me to get it even nice and tighter. And you can have a look there as I'm pulling it, how nice and tight it's busy getting. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you do exactly the same on this side as well. Just get it nice and tight, wrap a wire around, take your staple gun, shoot it in, pull it across again, get it, hold it down, and shoot your second staple in. That one I shot a bit on top of it. Just get the hammer. There we go. Okay guys, so there we go. You can see the wires are in, it's tight. Most beekeepers would prefer it slightly more tighter. I prefer the way it is. What I've seen before is actually if you make it too tight, firstly your sidebars will actually start pulling in, which I don't want. And also most of the time when it's too tight, it can easily snap as well by accident if you drop something on it, or by accident put the hive tool in and it by accident hits it. It can easily break, where this has got a slight bit more play with, which I prefer. So now all you can do is these little wires, you can just cut it off, just neaten it up, and that's it. Okay guys, so there we go. There's the end product. You can see staples are in. I've got it all tight. This one I just shot slightly above the other one. But yeah, like I said, there's two different methods. You can use either one, but that's basically more or less what you would like to do, and you can work from there. Okay guys, so I hope that it helped you guys. Just remember, I am also still a beginner beekeeper. I just do a lot of my own work, as it saves me a lot of money, and hopefully it will help you guys as well. Comment below, let me know what you think about the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so, because there's still a lot of content that's still coming